Hi guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. I have a new wig review for you guys. This one is brought to you by I Like Hair. It is their Kinky Edge Kinky Straight unit, and I have her in the 22 inches. This is a full lace frontal, 13 by 4, and she is a true lace frontal wig. So there's a lot of room on the sides as well as the middle of the wig to do your parting. As you can see, those are the kinky edges. It has a built-in adjustable strap along with some combs and the adjustable band. So she is big hair friendly. As you can see, I will have to cut some of the hairline just so it can fit my head, as my head is smaller, which is totally fine. You would just have to customize your wig to match you. So yeah, I'm showing you the parting because when I saw you guys, I was really impressed. They did provide ample parting space on the side, which a lot of the wig companies now don't do that. So thank you, I Like Hair, for this, because this takes me back. It just reminds me of a true customized lace frontal wig. And the kinky edges look really natural. I have done reviews on plenty of other kinky edge wigs, and the kinky edges just didn't look natural to me, but the edges on this wig, it just looks really natural. So now it's time for me to go ahead and install the wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and glue her down. I'm not gonna use any like the lace glue. This is an adhesive glue. It's a ebon version of the Bold Hold Liquid Gold adhesive. So it does give you a good hold. You're going to get a good 2 days of hold out of it. And I'm also going to spray on the ebon lace adhesive spray as well. While you watch me install this wig, the link to this wig will be in the description box below, along with any coupon codes and the link to the I Like Hair website. I will also be posting some photos on my Instagram, as well as I'll just be posting like a review on my TikTok as well. So if you like to follow me there, the links to my social media will be down in the description box as well. I just wanted to say that I have reviewed one other wig by I Like Hair. I am very impressed with how well they keep up with the trends. It was the mullet wig that I reviewed from them, so I definitely appreciate that. I'm just taking some wrapping moves here to just define the kinky edges more. If you need to, guys, you can always trim the edges. They were a little bit long, but I just trimmed them down where I needed to so that it could look like more natural. Because baby hairs are short, guys. If your baby hairs are extra long, they're not baby hairs no more. They're grown hairs. But I like how they give you that room to customize the wig as you see fit. So that's another plus for me as well. So this is what she looks like. I straightened half of the wig just so you can see what the unit looks like with a straightened. I did not put the flat iron on a high heat. I put it on medium heat, and it took really well. So I really do appreciate that. I'm not going to do the whole head on camera, but as you can see, I'm doing a lazy flat iron, but I just really didn't want to go in too much on it because I wanted some of the fullness to stay. I just wanted it to be a little bit tamed and just show you guys how well this wig takes heat. It's a really good wig, so I definitely, so far, I'm really impressed, and I definitely recommend this wig for you guys. This is the hair fully straightened out, and this is what the kinky edges look like. They look so natural. Absolutely in love with this wig. I usually sell my wigs, but I definitely will not be selling this unit at all. And I love the length. I've never had a kinky straight wig this long before, and I absolutely love it. So next I will be showing you guys how the wig looks curled, but I wanted to go ahead. I'm just really impressed by this parting space, guys. I keep parting it. If you like the review so far, if you like this install so far, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Go ahead and hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, because then you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. But also, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me how you like this wig. Tell me if you have purchased any other kinky styled wigs before, kinky edge style wigs. But I went ahead and got my face all done up for you guys. And I got my protective glove on because I'm about to do some beautiful beach waves in this unit. And like I said, I'm looking at the parting again. I'm like, wow, it really goes all the way back. But I'm just going to take my beach waver by bedhead. It's on 405 degrees. I did try it on some like a lower temperatures and higher temperatures. But this is the 405 degrees is perfect for this unit to give her a good curl. Okay. Look how well this is taking the curls. This was my first time using this beach waver, so I did go back over a few after I figured out and got used to how it curls. And you'll see how I do that here. I'm just like, okay, 405 is the best temperature, and I let go too soon. So when you do these things, it's best to just hold it after you let it sit on the iron for a while, let go, and then hold the curl like that. Let it cool off and then let go. And after I got the hang of this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be so gorgeous. I went ahead, and you will have to take some time to do this because you have to do it in smaller sections. But beach waves on kinky hair is so beautiful. Tell me also, what was the most recent wig that you've purchased? I can't wait until the summer. This wig is going to be perfect for the summer. This is a spray that I got from R Plus Co Blue. It is a very much flexible but great holding spray. And this is the final results, guys. I look so good. I got so many compliments on this unit. I went out while it was straight, and everybody was like, oh, your wig is so beautiful. Your wig is so beautiful. You cannot tell at all. This looks so natural. It looks like my hair. This is what it would look if I did an updo. I will be doing an updo with this unit later, just not in this video, but definitely this is a good wig to just play around and have fun with. Okay guys, thank you for watching that install. If you are still here, again, if you aren't subscribed and you love this type of content, if you love wig reviews, human and synthetic, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. So again, this is from the company ILIKEHAIR. If you are a subscriber, you know I did a review for them a while back for their mullet wig. Phenomenal wig. Also, I still have that one. The link will be in the description box if you want to check out that review. But this is their kinky straight wig with the kinky edges. I went ahead. Oh my god, this is so natural. Like, I've gotten, like, I had to like stop this review and continue the next day and then run some errands, and I got so many compliments on this unit while it was just in straight. Like, I didn't have no makeup on, nothing. I think it looks really good without makeup or really natural makeup because it looks like your natural hair. I wanted to see how it curled. It curls really nice, and it's just phenomenal. Like, it looks good straight, it looks good curly. It presses out really well. It takes heat really well. It's HD lace. I love the fact that it has lace in the back because you can do an updo and not have it look funky or have your, even though you won't have your natural hair showing, but even if so, like,
it matches your natural texture. This is for my my black women with the Afro textured hair. You know, what was I getting ready to say? Also, the parting space. That's what I'm most excited about, is the parting space. Like, even on the side, like, you have a good amount of parting. Look at that. Like, you can do some really cute updos. I'm not really an updo girly, but I think I might try to do one later on this. If you want to see that, you can head over to my TikTok. But they have so much parting space on this unit. I love the length. They gave me the 22 inch. I asked for a 22 inch. They gave me the 22 inch. I'm shorty. I'm a shorty, you guys. So that's why it looks extra long on me. It's because I'm only 5'2". So for the taller girls, this is the 22 inch, and she will come up shorter on you. But anyways, I really enjoyed this wig, so thank you ILIKEHAIR for sending it over. The link to purchase will be in the description box, as well as any codes they give me for like discounts or whatnot. All that will be in the description box. Their website, all their social media, they'll send me the information. I'll put it in the description box so you can follow them. They do accept Klarna, guys. So if you are, I'm a single mom, and I got 4 kids, so I utilize a lot of payment plan companies, and especially Klarna is one of my favorites. So they do accept Klarna. So if you want to purchase this wig but you don't have all the coins at the moment, you can definitely take that opportunity. Yeah, so don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you for watching this video and supporting. Love you guys. Bye.